Fortnite clearly knows how it's done, as it's now partnered with Huntrix itself. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech and gaming news. Netflix's animated hit K-pop Demon Hunters is taking its demon-slaying, pop-powered energy to the gaming world in a massive new crossover with Fortnite. Starting October 2nd through November 1st, players can dive into the all-new Demon Rush limited time mode, and it's not just a visual crossover. This is a full-blown, action-packed gameplay experience straight from the movie's high-octane world. In Demon Rush, players will team up with the fierce idol group Huntrix to defend Honmoon from relentless waves of faceless demons. You'll get movie-inspired abilities, recruit AI companions from the trio Zoe, Mira, or the mysterious Rumi, and battle your way through increasingly intense survival rounds. The crossover also brings a sleek set of exclusive skins, themed emotes, and cosmetics that let fans truly embody their favorite characters. Whether you're a die-hard K-pop stan or a Fortnite regular, this event offers a unique fusion of rhythm and relentless action. Epic Games has confirmed that K-pop Demon Hunters is also joining the roster of officially licensed brands in Fortnite Creative, giving players and creators the green light to build custom experiences based on the universe. Following the success of past collabs like Squid Game and The Walking Dead, this latest team-up is a major leap that shows just how fast K-pop Demon Hunters is becoming a cultural phenomenon. The idols have conquered streaming. Now, they're coming for the gaming world. Are you excited for this collab? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.